for surveillance of very large construction sites, solar farms, coastlines, parking lots, sports fields, border crossings, railways, airports. Drones provide a very wide and long line of sight. When no infrastructure is present, however, the use of a drone system proves to be a challenging mission. For these situations, a STALICO Drone Hub is used, a mobile solution which provides a secure, shielded housing for a drone system, inside a remotely movable lift platform from which the drone can take off and land. This can be done safely without unauthorized bystanders having access to the drone system itself. Specific measures such as anti-climb protection are provided to discourage bystanders. The system is vandalism-proof and can even stand in a crowd. STALICO Drone Hub is compatible with most drones and drone docking stations available on the market. The platform is equipped with an electrical power supply for charging the drone. STALICO Drone Hub offers the perfect setup for beyond visual line of sight flying. In this way, the drone security pilots stay in the control room, and the security personnel can be deployed where they are most needed. Less boots on the ground, more eyes in the sky.
Attention. Attention. This is STALICO Drone Security speaking. You are trespassing on private property. We ask you to leave.
Together with our partner Drone Security, we join strengths to complete all your security missions.